Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have another accessory or mods here for the Tesla Model 3Y S and X. This is from Hannshow, and this is essentially just a carbon fiber piece that they sell. Now this is real carbon fiber, not the fake ones that you will find. And I want to emphasize that because you don't want to put fake carbon fiber on your Tesla vehicle or any vehicle that is. This is for your repeater camera, and you can tell that it's real carbon fiber by the texture and the three-dimensional look of it. Also the thinness of this piece as well as how light it is. Very solid piece. And we have two of them in this kit. There's two repeater camera for your front fender. So you can see how nice this is. They also give you a alcohol wipe, I believe, or adhesive promoter. You do have to wipe down your repeater camera. And let me show you why we'll be installing this. So this is the driver's side. No, I'm sorry, this is the passenger side. This is the driver's side. So I actually have a carbon fiber style piece here. And you probably seen a lot of our videos where we express to get real carbon fiber instead of fake carbon fiber, because we actually test the fake carbon fiber out. So this was advertised as ABS, carbon fiber style, look, whatever. So if you're not familiar with carbon fiber, most people will probably think, oh, I got carbon fiber. Place it next to real carbon fiber. Can you see the difference? They're both gloss finish, but just look at the pattern. Very similar, right? But it's one-dimensional versus three-dimensional piece. This just looks like a toy. On camera, it probably doesn't look that much different, but in person, you can tell it's fake carbon fiber. It looks really bad. And for a $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 vehicle, maybe even the $100,000 vehicle, you don't want to put these fake carbon fiber pieces. So we'll be taking this fake one off. It's on here pretty tight actually. So we'll take this off and we'll replace it with these real carbon fiber piece from Hannshow. And it does come with the 3M adhesive already on this piece. So just to let you see the difference. Fake, real, fake, real. And that will match with this M3 Inspire mirror caps as well from Hannshow. Let's get this installed. So this is how it looks like install. Huge difference with the real carbon fiber piece. Again, this is for your fender repeater camera cover. This is real carbon fiber from Hannshow. So it matches that mirror caps from Hannshow as well. And that just gives it more of a premium look. And it just looks more sportier, especially with the M3 Inspire version of the mirror caps. Link in the description. If you're interested in this, check them out. Only use real carbon fiber. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.